So guys, this is the train and we have ended the journey. Let's go now back.
Alright guys, so we are back with another video. आज हम जा रहे हैं कहाँ? हम आज Whistling Beach जा रहे हैं क्योंकि आज यहाँ का टेम्परेचर है 26 degrees. So we thought that let's go to beach. Maybe this will be the last heat wave in London. So let's go, let's enjoy, let's go to Whistling Beach and have fun. And as always, I will show you around how it goes, what we do, what all we won't do. And by the way, we do everything. There is nothing that we won't do. But yeah, let's enjoy. Follow me, peace.
Yeah. So yeah, we are going. We are in the underground right now, as I told you, and we are going, covering 1.5 hour journey toward which beach?
Whistling Beach.
I forgot the I am just skipping out of my mind. So whenever it comes, I ask them, what is the beach?
Whistling Beach.
So keep following, keep watching, keep enjoying. Okay guys, so we are now boarding down at Wembley Park, and from Wembley Park we will take another train and go to some next destination. Everything is in my Google Maps, so follow me. I will show you what goes around. Till now, peace out.
Alright guys, so we have finally reached to Northwood, and from here Northwood we will take a bus and we will go to where? Whistling Beach. So this is the final bus and it will take around 10 minutes from here to reach to Whistling Beach.
To roam above the sea, and this story stays with me like a haunting melody.
I will show you, as I always say, be with me, enjoy. Till then, peace out.
Bye-bye.
Say peace.
Alright guys, so we have finally reached. Basically guys, this beach is not exactly a seashore beach. It's basically a lake, and the beach is being created by the people by dumping the sand. That's how it looks. And yeah, so right now we have reached and we are having something because we are hungry. So we have ordered an omelette, a vegetarian breakfast, glass coffee. Yeah, so I'm going to show you around how it looks. And you want to, by the time you want to say something?
Yes, I'm enjoying.
What you are enjoying?
I'm enjoying the warmth.
The warm?
Yes.
Okay, and what you are going to eat right now?
Omelette.
Omelette. So you want to say something?
Yes, I'm very hungry.
And you will eat everything?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Okay guys, so let us enjoy the food and I will see you on the other side. Till then,
can give you peace here in your mind. And I found no place in the dead of night to come alive. Life is waiting on the other side. Follow me to the under.
what you want to say?
I am done with my breakfast and lunch at this branch.
Now what you want to do?
Now we are on the train, toy train.
Toy train? What you will do in the toy train?
I'll ride over here for 20 minutes.
Okay. Okay. So guys, here we go. We have started the train and train has started moving. And there we go.
Into the under.
You want to say something? You are getting afraid?
No, I'm enjoying.
You are enjoying? And guys, Okay guys, so we have now boarded the train, and if you see, it's like a lovely place. So basically the ticket price is £3 for the return journey, and it's a 35 minutes ride the entire journey. So it's very nice. It's like pretty good.
Feel alive. I found no way. We're past the lines where truth won't lie. Life is waiting on the other side. Follow me to the underground. Watch the
So we have finally reached. हम लास्ट स्टॉप तक आ चुके हैं. हमने ट्रेन से उतरा एंड वी हैव अ रिटर्न टिकट एज वेल. तो हम यहाँ पे थोड़ा घूमेंगे और फिर हम इसी ट्रेन को पकड़ के जहाँ से स्टार्ट किए थे वहाँ फिर जाएंगे. राइट? आपको कुछ कहना है?
बीच में मस्ती करें.
Till then, peace again and just following us.
into the under.
So guys, we are now returning back our journey to the same place from the same point where we have boarded down. So we have. You want to say something?
Yes, we're enjoying.
We are enjoying. We are going back again
Yes.
to the same place
Yes, from where we started.
from where we have started. Yeah guys, so yeah, we are going back again to the beach. And so guys, this is the so-called beach. It's a lake and they have created this particular beach. Nothing much special, but yeah. Alright guys, so we are done with the beach and now we have reached to Wembley. तो यार हम लोग जा रहे थे घर, बट इन्होंने बोला कि हम लोग जाएंगे वेम्बली. तो राइट नाउ वी आर एट वेम्बली. जस्ट किलिंग द टाइम. इट्स 5:30. सो हम लोग
And
सोचे
having this cold.
या सो वी डिसाइडेड कि वेम्बली में थोड़ा उतर के देखते हैं क्या है क्या नहीं है. सो या दैट्स इट गाइस. सो एज मैं आपको हर समय बोलता हूँ, जस्ट मैं आपको दिखाते जाऊँगा कहाँ जा रहा हूँ, क्या कर रहा हूँ, क्या नहीं कर रहा हूँ. ऑफ कोर्स करता तो सभी हूँ, बट या पीस एंड फॉलो मी. ओवर एंड आउट.
Bobo.
Fun now. All right guys, so finally हम पहुँच चुके हैं अपने घर. हमने बहुत मज़ा किया. So we went to
Ruisley Beach.
yes, we went to Ruisley Beach. From there we went to
Wembley Park.
so we went to Ruisley Beach. वहाँ पे हमने बीच में घूमा. आपको जैसे वीडियो में मैंने ऑलरेडी दिखा चुका है. वी वेंट अबाउट द ट्रेन. वहाँ से हम वेम्बली गए. वेम्बली पे थोड़ा घूमे. इट्स जस्ट अ शॉपिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स. तो जस्ट वी रोम अक्रॉस. नाउ वी आर बैक इन द होम.
Yes.
घर वापस. नाइस डे, ऑसम डे, ट्रिमेंडस
एटमॉस्फेयर.
थैंक यू फॉर हर बिकॉज शी एक्चुअली फाउंड आउट दिस प्लेस. एंड मैं एक्चुअली बहुत दिन से इस टॉय ट्रेन काइंड ऑफ स्टफ खोज रहा था. तो शी फाउंड इट आउट एंड इट वॉज वेरी गुड एंड रियली थैंक यू.
Welcome.
So keep finding out these kind of places and we will keep enjoying. Till then, follow us.
Bye-bye.
Peace.
Good night.
Bye. You want to say some final thing?
Yes.
What?
Have a nice dream.
Have a nice dream. Bye bye.
Interstellar night space, no one else sees.